Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's your girl T. Guys, I'm so sorry I do not have an intro for this vlog. It's just a day in my life, and we were going to the beach. Literally, it was so unplanned. We were sitting and we just decided about it, man. Let's go to the beach because we wanted something nice, some vibes and stuff like that. And we were not planning on staying at home, so we went out and we went to the beach. So please enjoy the rest of the vlog.
We outside. They said it is. Le Chelsea ihamba nayo. Iyabaleka ekamereni. Elo xesha ndizonisendela ilinki yoba niyibone le video.
ide ngapha ya engayingeni Hey girl.
So here we were being interviewed by some guys that were shooting content for their YouTube channel, and they wanted to interview us about what we're doing and if we're having fun and stuff like that. So that was what was happening here. They were actually so nice, and the interview went smooth and stuff like that. Like, it was so nice. I'm gonna insert their YouTube name so that you can check out what they were doing.
Otherwise, first whoa! Yeah, Tora, with the umbrella, fucking shade. I throw it shade. Condo, I'm gonna spy. What's it now, ma'am? What's it now? Nandi, Bolo, Twala, Stressy, this was one of the next one. Cocktail and some alcohol, what's the matter on legs? Yes, yeah.
So now you know your girl. She's always gonna plug herself. I was promoting my YouTube channel on their YouTube channel. They were about to leave and interview other people, and I was like, can I please promote my channel on your channel? And they were like so cool about it, and they even asked, and I told them that I can follow me at Tando_Nube, and it was so nice, man. The vibes were so nice. So you can actually see the guy with the white shirt and a green pant. That's the guy that was doing the interview, and the guys following him and stuff like that. And here I was paying attention to the guy that wanted me to write down my YouTube channel so that when they edit their video, they can like edit and put my there he is. What a nice gentleman. There he was. And the water's so blue. That's my big brother. And this is, we were actually taking a walk, and we wanted the golden hour and taking pictures, taking videos, and everything in between. Child, now I know I have a penguin walk, so please let's not talk about my walk. Let's definitely not talk about my walk. Anyway, I look so good. I look so fly. I don't know why my brother decided to shoot this in slow motion, but yeah, I'm just gonna cut it short because it's way too long. So yeah. So I am afraid of heights, and right here I was literally praying, and I was actually tempting God, because why in the world was I doing in a very high place? And I don't like high places where there's water underneath them. I was actually like texting God, and the water, and the water so blue, so blue. So blue. I don't know if I can do it, but hey, I just love the ocean and stuff like that.
Anisha, Zanman pra izangapa. Uthi zangapha konzani.
able to make an outro video, so this is actually my outro video. So we are ready to go now and just rest. And we are so tired. We are so tired, and we had a long and a fun and full day. So don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Bye.
I can be.
Yeah, lokhu ngifika iside eyi-1 angicabangi imboza emabhozeni.